Hey everyone, welcome to my 10-minute makeup. I'm going to start off with the Chubby in the Nude foundation stick in Alabaster. Taking an IT Cosmetics foundation brush from Ulta. Make sure that's all blended in. Then I'm going to take my Breezy Tarte Cream foundation. It's a mini. It's in the shade Seashell. I'm going to take this Luxie 504 brush, go into that, and apply that to go into that, and apply that to the forehead. I'm gonna take my Morphe M173. I'm gonna take a little bit of that bronzer and go over the crease of my eyelids to contour that out. I'm gonna take my Fenty cream blush in Petal Poppin' right here. I'm gonna use a Sephora number 78 as a contour brush. Go into that and get this stuff on my cheek. Add a little bit to my nose. Add a little bit to the crease of my eye. Then I'm going to take a CoverGirl So Lashy Blush Pro mascara. And then to finish it off, I'm going to take a Buxom lip gloss in Blushing Margarita. And that's it. That's my quick makeup. Let me know what products you use for quick makeup down below. If you like this video, subscribe, hit the notification bell. I'm going to try to upload at least 1 to 3 times a week.